You've been fasting. Tell everyone.
Yes, I am. So it's Ramadan, and you know what I'm like. Throw myself into it every situation that I'm in, and the lads are fasting, and I thought I really want to understand how they're feeling when they get to the game. So our games start at 9 p.m. So I thought I want to know what they're feeling like. You know, they've fasted all day, haven't had anything to drink, haven't had anything to eat. So I've joined them. So we've literally just broken our fast now. We've fasted all day and gone and had some dates and some chickpeas and some salad. And then everyone else will go for dinner now. I'll do the pod and then go for dinner afterwards. And we can eat all the way through until 4 a.m. And then we have our last meal at 4 a.m. And then we don't eat again until 6:40 the next day.
So is that based on sunrise and sunset? Am I
Yeah.
right in thinking that? Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So are you eating through? Are you like getting up to eat in the night?
Yeah, I'm not going to bed till 4. So basically, sleep during the day, and then because our games now start at 9 p.m. We didn't finish yesterday.
Sleep all day and party all night.
Yeah, that is literally it. That is literally it. So yeah, I've decided that I'm going to fast with the lads while I'm here because I think it's only fair they're doing it that I should do it.
So what have you learned?
It's hard, so hard. Obviously, the first thing you think about when you wake up in the morning is like to just get a drink of water to hydrate because you've been asleep all day and you can't do that. And then you can't eat. So you've just got to be so disciplined with what you do. I found that my energy levels have been so much less because obviously I've not got any food in me. But then as soon as I eat, I pick up that energy. I'm fine. And everyone's told me it'll take 2 or 3 days to get used to, and then I'll be absolutely fine with it.
I feel like the drinking thing is something that I would really struggle with because my hydration levels really bother me and I don't sleep well if I'm not hydrated, etc. So I feel like that's the thing that I just do out like real subconsciously and then be like, oh no, I've broke the fast or whatever.
Yeah. But Crossy, your day is revolved around food as well.
Yeah, well, you know what I'm like. If I miss a meal, I'm grumpy for like 4 days. So
yeah. So yeah, I've literally just eaten. Went downstairs. Everyone did their prayers. And then I had a date and some chickpeas. So now I am so hungry and I cannot wait for this podcast to be over so I can go and eat for the first time